Notice recently I've been drinking a lot of coconut water, and one of the brands reached out to me and sent me a package. So I'm going to be opening it up tonight. I don't have a knife, so I'm going to use my keys. Let's see what they sent me. I'm like so excited. I hope it's like coconut chips or coconut water, of course. Okay. Oh, shoot. They sent me stickers. Oh, that's so cute. Literally, and I use this emoji like every day. Bruh. Oh my god, Coconut Beach. You killed it. More stickers. Definitely gonna be putting it on like my car. They gave me a bag. Ah, that's so cute. Oh my god, to like carry all my coconut stuff in it, my coconut water. Not only did they give me this cute bag to put all my coconut stuff in it, but they gave me stickers. And let's see what else. Bag of coconut chips. Okay. Definitely gonna be eating those when I'm working. I have no food because I be starving on a daily. Another one. They sent me like how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Okay. And coconut water. Bruh. But they sent me like, what? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a whole week's supply worth of coconut water. Definitely gonna be doing like a makeup look. So stay tuned. Oh my god. I'm gonna go put these in the fridge right now.